Hello and welcome to Foraging and Cooking with Kids. If you are foraging for food in the wild, be 100% sure that you pick the right kind. Use books and apps to make no mistakes. And kids, never eat anything out of the wild without asking your parents. A couple weeks ago, I went with Mabel out and got some buffalo berries. Buffalo berries, also called bullberries. The plant is native to the northern and western North America. The buffalo berry is a shrub that reaches from 2 to 6 meter height, about 6 to 20 feet. The branches are thorny and have small, oval, long silver leaves. The berry grows in clusters right on the branch and are ready to pick in August or September. The berries are red and sometimes also golden yellow. They have a tart flavor but are sweet also. So Mabel asked me why they're called buffalo berries, so I got curious. I went and researched and I found an article where it explains that the name came from the mountain man time. So, sometimes the mountain man in the 1800s overwintered with the Crow people. The Crow woman would prepare a buffalo berry sauce that were served with buffalo meat. So the mountain man called those berries buffalo berries because they had the sauce on their buffalo meat. So I thought, why not making a nice sauce? Maybe not buffalo, but my love got blessed and harvested a nice sized buck. So we will cook up some tenderloins and prepare a nice buffalo berry sauce. There was a time in between picking them and now using them. So I freeze them when we picked them. We washed and freezed them, and then we vacuum sealed them, that we have fresh berries for our sauce today. But before we start cooking, we want to shout out a big thank you to Country Road Cure, Simple Life Reclaimed, and Come On Homesteading. Thank you so much for the recommendation on our channel. We hope you will enjoy with us our Bighorn Mountains, wild food and recipes from all over the world. We also have an Instagram page where we show first what we're doing next. Thank you all for your love, and let's start cooking. For our recipe today, we need 2 tenderloins. I used venison, 2 tablespoons of animal fat or butter, a half an onion very small cut, 250 gram berries, we used buffalo berries, 250 milliliter juice, we used apple juice, 250 milliliter broth, we used venison broth, 2 teaspoons of starch, and salt and pepper for taste. First we make our fat very hot, and then we sear our tenderloins on both sides for 2 minutes. Let's use the same pan without washing it out to start frying our onions. In a minute, put the apple juice in the broth. Now we spread it on all the thick bottom. Very careful with the broth. Then we mix a little water with our starch and put it into our sauce to thicken it up. Very good. A little tart, so it's a little sweet and sour. So if you would like to have it a little sweeter, try it out and put maybe a little bit more honey within it if it's too tart for you, but we enjoyed it a lot. We hope you enjoy our videos. If you do, please subscribe to see us weekly. Till then, stay healthy and happy, and we see you next week with foraging and cooking with kids.